Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing well. So without any further ado, let's get started this video. In this video, we discuss about how to learn English. First thing, you should keep in your mind that believing in yourself, because this journey is so long, maybe 6 months or 1 year, so always believing in yourself. In this video, I tell you 2 to 3 things which can start your journey and you can learn English easily. First thing is, you can start to speak English with small sentences in your house. Second thing is, I know you think that more words and more vocabulary are important to learn English, but it's not true. It's just myth. You know 100 or 200 words are enough to start speaking English. So today you should start speaking English by these words. And after that you will learn new words and apply in your speaking. Third thing is, don't pressure in your mind that I don't know English grammar, so I will not learn English. Although you can start learn English and you can start to speak English by these 2 to 3 things applying in your daily life. So just go and speak English. Thanks for watching.